Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am practicing my painting skills with a technique in value. Value is an artistic term that describes how light or how dark a color is. You can make a color darker by adding black, and in art this is called a shade. You can also make a color lighter by adding white. That is called a tint, and that is what I am practicing today. I am painting a color value on half of a paper plate as part of my What Lifts You Wings project at my school. You can check out this technique and try it in your own style. Always begin by setting out newspaper to keep your table clean. Then go ahead and grab a cup of water, a paintbrush, and finally your paint. You will need the color of your choice plus the color white. I'm going to save that black for later. Begin by painting the color you chose on one end of the paper plate. Then rinse your brush in the water and mix a little bit of white to your color. Did you notice how the color value became lighter when I added white? Next, simply repeat this process until the whole paper plate is a smooth gradient from dark to light. If you have chunky areas that are not blended smoothly, try going over those with a clean brush to blend the color values together. I wanted to also practice my sponge painting and add a simple design over my color gradient. You can try this in your own style as well. Sponge painting is a fun way to add texture and pattern to your artwork. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration on color value in sponge painting. Remember that it is so important for artists to leave their studio space better than they found it. Clean everything very well before you return those items to their home in your studio. I do hope you try these painting techniques in your own style. Happy making, artists! Enjoy!